Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a bubble lid off. First, always ensure your appliance is completely off and unplugged to prevent any accidents. Next, carefully examine the lid for any visible locking tabs, arrows, or pressure release points. Understanding the design is crucial for a successful removal. We will focus on a specific technique that works for most tightly sealed bubble lids, ensuring you can open it safely and efficiently every time. The most effective method begins with applying heat. Run the lid under hot tap water for about 30 to 60 seconds, or submerge just the lid in a bowl of warm water. This gentle heat helps the lid material expand slightly. Next, enhance your grip by using a rubber glove, a silicone mat, or even a thick rubber band wrapped around the lid. With an improved grip, firmly twist the lid counterclockwise to loosen it. If the lid remains stubbornly stuck, a vacuum seal is likely the cause. To break this, find a sturdy, blunt tool, such as a butter knife or the back of a spoon. Carefully insert the tip into the tiny gap between the lid and the container rim. Gently pry upwards to create a small opening, allowing air to enter and equalize the pressure. You should hear a subtle pop as the seal releases. After the vacuum seal is released, the lid should now lift off with minimal effort. To prevent future sticking, always ensure both the lid and the container rim are clean and dry before storage. Food residue can create a sticky bond. For long-term storage, consider leaving the lid slightly ajar or inverted on the container to prevent a vacuum from forming again. This simple step saves you time and frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.